welcome to What's in the Garden. Thanks for joining us. You may have heard me talk about our mission, which is helping our neighbors build a better, healthier, and more beautiful world. And as part of that mission, I love to support other local vendors. So I'm really excited to introduce you to a new product that's locally made. We have here Full Circle Soil. They call it nature's original plant food. This is a great organic plant food that we're excited to feature here at Himmels. I also really love that this company has a calling to educate and leave our community with the tools to do good. What a great mission. I would encourage you to check out their website, fullcirclesoil.com, to read some testimonials, learn about the product and the applications, and a little more about their mission and history. So we're going to use this granular product. They also offer it in a tonic, which is this, where we're going to use the granular in all of our raised bed gardens. We're going to top dress our seedlings. We're going to use them in our transplants to just top dress around that. Just like this, very easy. Take a little bit, sprinkle it around, work it in the soil. We're going to do that with all of these tomato plants, and the result that I'm expecting is bigger, greener leaves, lots more blooms, and big, beautiful fruit, which is what anyone wants from their tomato plants. So again, we are so excited to welcome this new vendor, Full Circle, to our offering here at Himmels, and can't wait to show you the results. We'll see you again at What's in the Garden.